At the Kennedy Space Center, NASA's Ground Systems Development and Operations Program is engineering the infrastructure to support the launch of NASA's next big rocket, the SLS. This powerful space vehicle, along with the Orion spacecraft, is what's going to get us to the Moon and Mars. Every day, the GSDO team must put the basics of science and research fundamentals to the test in order for us to reach our goals of deep space exploration. NASA's aerospace technologist, Dr. Wei-Ping Yu, aka Dr. Explorer, is here to explain how our solar system really works and why it's important for programs like GSDO to enable the explorers of the future.
To understand how solar system works, we need to understand what's the force drive the motion in space. Is that gravity? No! Gravity is not the answer. Here I will demonstrate. This represents the sun, and this represents our home planet, Earth. So what happens if gravity is the only force at work in space? What just happened? We become part of the sun. That's why we need to know more, to explore more.
With so many forces at work, it's sometimes hard to visualize how the universe works. Thankfully, Dr. Explorer has a solution for that.
For our own survival, we need a solar system rotate to create centrifugal force to counterbalance the gravitational poles. However, what force can create rotation? Can gravity make a rotation? No, gravity is a radial force. It is not capable to create a rotation. Now, so what force can create rotation? This is a big question. Here, I will demonstrate. Here is a battery, and here is a magnet, and here is the coil. What happens if I put a battery on top of a magnet and put a coil there? It rotates. Whenever we have a battery that's electricity and the magnet, we're starting rotate. So now I have a question for you. Where are magnets in universe, in solar system? Where is the electricity in our solar system? The sun at the center of the solar system is a giant magnet. We know sun have a giant magnetic field. But the question is, where comes electricity? That's the thermonuclear explosion on the surface of the sun. That's create moving plasma field. That is what electricity is. That's why all planets orbit the sun, because the sun is the giant magnet objects in the solar system. So here is another secret of the universe. Electricity and the magnetism at the fundamental level, they are the same thing. Electricity is a form of magnetic wave motion. So what else can we do with electricity and magnets. So I have a AAA battery and I have another set of magnets. This time I will put the magnets on both sides. Let's see what happens. If I put this battery with two sets of magnets inside of this copper coil, it moves. Let's look at it again. Electricity and the magnets can create a general motion too.
But to get those future missions to deep space off the ground, the GSDO team has to overcome a huge potential hindrance that could put all rockets at risk. Lightning.
Look, we have a plasma ball here. Inside, there are lightning bolts, strikes. A common misconception about the electricity is that we have an electric current. We must have a closed circuit. Is that true? Look at here. I have a fluorescent light bulb in its original package. So what happens when lightning strikes? This is dangerous. It induces electricity without even contact. And this is why we need the lightning protection system to divert the electricity, prevent catastrophic failure to our national assets, the launch vehicle. Thank you for joining me here. So science is fun, and the science is a mystery we need to continue to explore.